Located in the northernmost part of Bohemia, Liberec Region spans an area of approximately 3,200 square kilometers, making it the smallest Czech region. It is home to approximately 450,000 residents, showcasing a denser population compared to its size. Bordering on Germany and Poland, this region was home to a substantial German-speaking population before World War II. The post-war geopolitical changes led to the expulsion and migration of most of these German-speaking residents, dramatically transforming the region's demographic and cultural landscape. Nevertheless, this part of the country managed to steer successfully through all the economic upheavals of the 20th century. It is now an integral part of the economic, social and cultural fabric of Czechia. Liberec, the capital of the region, has a population of slightly over 100,000 and is not just an administrative hub. The city and its region are also a blend of industrial innovation and natural beauty. It is recognized for its manufacturing, mechanical engineering, glassmaking and jewelry production industries. The region, with its rich natural landscapes and architectural heritage, is popular with tourists. Notable attractions include Ještěd mountain with the iconic Ještěd Tower, offering panoramic views. Moreover, the region is dotted with numerous historical castles, adding to its cultural allure.